bad last night?
Yeah.
Oh my god, yeah. It was great.
You watched it last night?
Yeah, I watched it. I played. Yeah. Someone said it too.
Really cute.
Oh.
I like your shirt.
Why are you still?
Why did you guys we've watched season 2?
Hey, Raindrop Buddies! Raindrop Buddies, did you hear that?
What?
Did you hear?
No.
You hear anything?
What's going on?
We did not hear anything.
Shut up, Kelly.
The
cloud is fine.
Good.
Yeah, is that how weird it is?
I don't know, the cloud's getting bigger, guys.
We're fine.
No?
But yeah,
Okay.
wait, so what are you doing part of your season 3, right? I'm at the part where Frankie's dead. It's like,
You're not.
You have to hear that. There's no way that you don't hear that.
Kelly, there's nothing going on. Kelly, you're the most annoying raindrop ever. Kelly, shut the fuck up.
Prayed for like 2 hours, dude. We're playing.
No, but you're not
talking about
watching Breaking Bad. You're watching.
I was talking about I think it sounds like Malcolm in the Middle.
No,
Are you positive?
yeah, you're
Oh my god, guys, no, there's something. I hear it right now.
Kelly, shut the fuck up!
God damn it, Kelly! Oh God! Heard that.
I told you so.
It's gonna hurt! Fuck! Oh, it's okay. That's it.
Oh.
God damn.
Move! No!
Oh, that sucked.
Yeah. I just want to evaporate. Thank you, everyone, for coming out to our show. Be sure to check us out on Facebook and YouTube. And thank you, everybody. We're Jimmy's Traveling All-Stars. There's Willem, Charlie, Kelly, Kathy, our new members. We got Marty. Not Zach. He's been here. Come on. We got Marco. And we also have Jake, but he's not with us. Thank you guys for coming.